What's up guys, my name is Pavel and today on Tips with Pavel we're going to be talking about Betaflight filters and specifically the most cracked filters that you can possibly put on your FPV racing drone. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So we have a brand new FPV drone right here, and if you have a brand new FPV racing drone, then your settings, your filters will probably look something like this, which is complete garbage. And what I'm not seeing is an RPM filter, so what we need to do is go into the Motors tab, enable bidirectional D-shot, agree to whatever this says, and save and reboot. There we go. Wait a few seconds, then connect back, go back to PID and tuning, PID tuning, filter settings, and basically these two filters up here are useless, same as this filter and same as this filter. So you can just throw this garbage out, change this to biquad because otherwise it will not work, and 100, change this to 1000, and there we go. Those are the most cracked filters that you can possibly put on your FPV drone. Yeah, there you go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the filters, and I will see you guys in the next video where I maybe talk about PIDs or some other settings. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.
I didn't know what to do.